This is the practice pilot. You have 6 main dashboards on your home screen. They're collections, office performance, procedures, provider performance, referrals, and an overall summary. I'm going to go into a dashboard to show you an overview of all the things you can do once you're in the dashboard. As you can see, you have your data lines with your corresponding legend. The legend will correspond to each particular color and will have values associated with the time frame that you're looking at. You can see which dashboard you're in along with your time frame and what measure. In order to change these things, you have your right-click options. This will give you the ability to view your top 1 through 20, a total, or a year-over-year comparison. The solid line being this year, the dashed line being last year. You can always change it by going back. If you only have one office, it doesn't matter if you choose top 10, top 20, you're only going to be able to see one line. You have a time period where there are set time frames for you to choose from. All available will give you 5 full years of data, or you can do a custom date range where you can select the particular months that you're concerned with. You can also include the current month so you can watch your business grow as you are working. You have 4 measures to choose from. You have dollars produced, dollars collected, patient count, or procedure count, so you can choose a variety of measures to look at your data in. You can group by posting date or service date. You have many different chart types to choose from, so you can choose what is most aesthetically pleasing to you. You can drill down to a particular location, provider, procedure, referral, or zip code. For example, if we wanted to look at one particular office, we can check our office drill down. It will have a list of all of our locations, and I can choose one particular one or multiple to look at. Once I'm finished, I can clear this out and it will bring me back to all of my locations. You can include patients with no referral, or you can exclude patients with no referral, so you can look at your data based on patients with a referral associated in their database. A few other options here. You can render 3D. We recommend that you keep your options starting your y-axis at 0, keeping your default for the legend and your default for your labels. You can export any data to Excel so that you can see your bare bone numbers. And that will list each of your locations with your dollars produced, dollars collected, patient count, and procedure count. A few other options that you have are, again, another place to change your time period, which is your custom date range. If you're in a dashboard that has multiple windows, by using this icon, it will change your time period for every window that you're viewing. You have your refresh icon, which will refresh your data. However, the Practice Pilot does refresh your data every 2 hours. You have a print option. With your print option, you will print with a white background. You can also export all visible charts to Excel. Again, another icon. The envelope icon sends feedback straight to our developer with any suggestions, issues, or requirements that you would need from the pilot. Your cog icon are settings. You can change your theme to dark to light. You can change your login information. So if you wanted to work offline, if you're going to be in a place with no internet access, this will allow you to access the pilot for up to 4 days offline. What's New will give you any new updates and their dates so that you can see anything new within the pilot. Also, you can export your raw data so you can see it in database form based on what the pilot is pulling from your WinOMS. In conclusion, this is the overview of the Practice Pilot. You do have your right-click options to customize your screen, along with your icons in the upper right-hand corner. Please note that the Practice Pilot does have memory, so any options that you have selected will remain there until you remove them. For training on each individual module, please refer to the videos on our website.